In this tutorial, we will see how to disable automated box suggestions within your account. By default, when an order is created, the system automatically suggests the most suitable box based on the product dimensions and available packaging options. These suggestions rely on both historical data and current product dimensions. However, in certain scenarios, you may prefer to disable these automated suggestions. For example, when using custom packing processes for specific clients or orders. To disable the suggested box feature, begin by navigating to the left menu bar and selecting Automation. This section allows you to create and manage automation rules that control how your orders are processed. Click Create Automation and assign a clear, descriptive name to your rule, such as Disable Suggested Box. Next, set the trigger to Order Created. This ensures the rule is applied as soon as a new order is entered into the system. If you wish to limit this rule to specific clients or order types, you can define additional criteria at this stage. If you intend for the rule to apply to all orders, leave the criteria unrestricted. Proceed to configure the action. In the Action settings, select Set Enable Suggested Box at Packing and set its value to No. This will disable the suggested box feature during the packing process for all orders that meet the criteria defined in your rule. Please note that this automation will only affect orders created after the rule has been activated. Existing orders created prior to enabling this rule will not be impacted. Once complete, click Create Automation to finalize and activate your automation.